Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw Amazon Seller Central Payouts in the United States, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your Amazon Seller Central Payouts in the United States, begin by logging into your Amazon Seller Central account. Navigate to the Performance tab located in the main menu. From the drop-down menu, select Payments. You will be directed to the Payments page, where you can view your recent transactions. Locate the section labeled Available Balance. This amount represents the funds available for withdrawal. Confirm that your bank account information is accurate by clicking on Account Info in the Settings menu. Make any necessary updates to ensure that your bank details are correct. Return to the Payments page and review any pending transfers. If you see an option for transfer funds, click this button to initiate the withdrawal process. Follow the prompts to specify the amount you wish to transfer to your bank account. Consider any fees that may apply to your transfer. Review all details carefully before confirming the transfer. Once you confirm, you will receive a notification about the transfer status. It usually takes a few business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. Regularly check your bank statement to ensure the funds have been deposited. If you experience any issues during the process, reach out to Amazon Seller Support for assistance. Be aware of the transfer limits and schedules established by Amazon for your account type. Ensure you keep your account information secure to prevent unauthorized access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.